Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Countach 50th anniversary edition, and this is called the Water Wolf edition. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, before that, this is by a brand called UCC. So they are actually a coffee company. Okay, this came right out of. Okay, let me just take the car out first, as usual. Remove everything. Okay, so this one says 50 anniversary, and okay, this one has entire different lineup. I don't have everything in this particular set. So I do have the Jota SVR, and this one I have now, and I don't have rest of the things like this 5000 QV or Diablo, Murcielago or Aventador. So I need to see if I'm able to get all these things. But at least I have some of it right now, which makes me happy, because in India it is not easy to get. Okay, let's look at the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks super because these are true to scale, and you can see the headlight details here. This is really awesome, and you can see the rest of the livery and everything here. This is really nice. The wedge shape looks so amazing on this one, and okay, the entire body is metal and the chassis is plastic. So this looks so awesome. You can see the fenders and everything. It looks really nice, and the wheels are actually made of rubber. Tires are rubber, and the rims are unique. It is based out of the actual car, so they stayed true to everything. And it does have taillight acrylics for taillights, which is so awesome. You can see the logo detailing here, which is so amazing, and exhaust details here. This is so cool. And so it doesn't have any interior, and okay, none of these cars from this brand doesn't have any interior. I'm really not even worried about that. I don't even care about that, because see, we are going to look at the casting from outside, right? This looks so beautiful. It is true to scale, and being a coffee company, they made a lot of things. I mean, I can say compared to other brands out there, they made everything so amazing. Maybe only the lacking part is the interior, but you can just reduce 10 marks for that. You can give 90 out of 100. But compared to either Mattel or even Majorettes, they are, see, Majorettes are nice. I am not going to deny that, but this is on a whole different level. If you get your hands on this specific brand, you will know for sure, because given that they do this unique rim sets and everything, so awesome. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.